What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we're talking about a minor update to the ultimate smart home here at my place, and I've actually added on the ecobee Switch Plus, and a big shout out to ecobee for sponsoring this video. Now, this is pretty cool because this is not just only a light switch, it actually does quite a few other things. So first off, this adds a entirely new level to smart home automation. This switch has Amazon Alexa built right into it, and yes, there's even a little speaker on the front, which is absolutely insane. But before we get into everything, I gotta say this thing is pretty easy to install. It's basically like installing any regular light switch. Of course, you wanna make sure that your power is flipped off, but once you get the light switch plate removed from your old light switch, take it out, pull out the wires, all you do is match up the wire colors and put it all back together, and you're pretty much up and running. And for me, it took about 20-30 minutes or so, and honestly, it was super simple following the video prompts within the ecobee app, getting everything up and running in no time. So the first cool standout feature about the ecobee Switch Plus is that it has Amazon Alexa built right into it. It's actually pretty insane because, well, there's a speaker here on the switch itself. So this is bringing us one step closer to having that whole home smart experience, like walk in the door and say, computer, turn on lights, and all the lights will turn on. Well, it's very similar with the ecobee Switch Plus. So obviously this can operate like your standard light switch. Push the button, the lights turn on, push it again, the lights turn off. You know, that's no problem at all. But what's cool is the smart home integration this brings along with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and even HomeKit. And it also works with IFTTT, which is pretty cool as well. So I can easily go up to the switch and say, Alexa, turn on the living room lights, and
okay,
boom, there you go, living room lights are on. Alternatively, I can control things within the ecobee app, and we have a little button here in the app which I can press to turn on the lights or turn off the lights, and like I mentioned before, it does work with HomeKit as well. So not only do you have control of it via the Home app on iOS, but you can also set up automation rules, so I can have it that when I press this switch, all the lights in my house turn on or off, and it's pretty neat to have that kind of control from just one little switch installed in your house. But back to the Alexa side of things, it's actually pretty awesome because you can almost ask it anything that you would ask any regular Echo device or any other device with Alexa built in. And yes, in case you were wondering, it can play music. You can stream thousands and thousands of songs right from your light switch through that little speaker on it, and it's actually kind of cool. So along with the other things you can ask it, you can do things like, hey Alexa, what's the weather like today?
In Mesa, it's 84 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Tonight, you can look for mostly clear skies with a low of 62 degrees.
You can set a timer with it, it can give you news, all sorts of stuff, many things that you can do with any traditional Alexa device right on a light switch. It's pretty crazy. So not only can the ecobee Switch Plus control automation with HomeKit, but it can also control any other smart lights or smart devices that can be controlled through your Amazon account with Alexa, which is a pretty neat feature. I mean, you literally just have one little switch on the wall and it can control any of your smart devices in the house. Now, one of the updates that's actually rolling out summer of 2018 is the fact that you can use this in conjunction with your ecobee thermostat. So it'll actually use its room and occupancy sensors in the switch to detect hot or cold spots in your house. And like I said, that update will be rolling out in the near future. But overall, the ecobee Switch Plus is pretty awesome, and I want to know what you think about this guy. If you like it, if you hate it, let me know in the comments section below. I personally think it's a great addition to my smart home setup here, but let me know your thoughts, and also be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.